Welcome to our exploration of the 5D experience. Have you ever felt like there's more to life than what you see around you? Do you sometimes sense a deeper reality beyond the everyday world? If so, you're not alone. Many people are waking up to a new level of consciousness, often called the 5D experience. Today we're going to dive into 10 strange things that people living in this heightened state of awareness often encounter. Let's start by understanding what we mean by the 5D experience. It's a state of being where you're more aware of the interconnectedness of all things. In this state, you're not just living in the physical world, but you're also tuned into the energetic and spiritual aspects of reality. It's like upgrading your perception from standard definition to ultra-high definition. Now let's explore the first strange thing people experience in 5D, heightened intuition. When you're living in 5D, your gut feelings become much stronger. It's like having an internal compass that guides you through life. You might find yourself making decisions based on a deep inner knowing rather than just logical thinking. This doesn't mean you ignore facts or reason, but you add another layer to your decision-making process. You might suddenly know the right path to take, even if it doesn't make sense on paper. This heightened intuition can help you navigate life's challenges with more ease and confidence. But how does this work in everyday life? Well, imagine you're faced with a big decision, like changing careers. In 3D thinking, you might make a pros and cons list and analyze all the logical factors. In 5D, while you still consider these things, you also tune into your inner guidance. You might feel a strong pull towards a particular option, even if it seems risky or unconventional. This doesn't mean you act recklessly, but you trust your inner wisdom to guide you towards what's truly best for you. The second strange thing people experience in 5D is a shift in how they perceive time. In our usual 3D world, we're very focused on linear time, past, present, and future. But in 5D, your awareness of the present moment increases dramatically. You might find yourself fully immersed in whatever you're doing, without worrying about what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow. This doesn't mean you forget about the past or stop planning for the future. Instead, you develop a deeper appreciation for the now. This shift in time perception can have a profound impact on your life. When you're fully present, you enjoy your experiences more deeply. You might notice details you've never seen before, like the intricate patterns in a leaf or the subtle changes in someone's expression. This heightened presence can also reduce stress and anxiety, as you're not constantly rehashing past events or worrying about future ones. The third strange thing about living in 5D is the abundance of synchronicities you start to notice. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that seem to be more than just random chance. In 5D, these occurrences become much more frequent. You might think of someone and then immediately receive a call from them, or you might keep seeing the same number sequence everywhere you look. These synchronicities often feel like little winks from the universe, reminding you that there's more going on than meets the eye. But what do these synchronicities mean? They're often seen as signs that you're on the right path, or that you're in alignment with your higher purpose. They can also serve as gentle nudges, guiding you towards certain experiences or insights. The key is to pay attention to these signs and reflect on what they might be telling you. The fourth strange aspect of 5D living is increased energy sensitivity. People in this state often find they can feel the emotions and energy of others much more strongly. It's like developing a new sense that allows you to pick up on the vibes of people, places, and even objects. This sensitivity can be both a gift and a challenge. On one hand, it allows for deeper empathy and understanding of others. On the other hand, it can be overwhelming if you're not prepared for it. This energy sensitivity extends beyond just people. You might walk into a room and immediately sense the atmosphere, whether it's tense, joyful, or calm. You might also find that certain places or objects have a particular energy to them. This sensitivity can help you navigate social situations more effectively and create environments that support your well-being. The fifth strange thing about the 5D experience is a sense of expanded consciousness. This is perhaps one of the most profound shifts people experience. You start to feel deeply connected to everything around you. It's not just an intellectual understanding, but a felt sense of oneness with all of life. This expanded consciousness often brings a greater understanding of the bigger picture of life. With this expanded consciousness, you might find that your perspective on many things changes. Issues that once seemed huge may now appear small in the grand scheme of things. You might develop a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life, seeing how your actions affect not just yourself, but the whole world around you. This shift can lead to a greater sense of responsibility and care for others and the environment. The sixth strange aspect of living in 5D involves physical changes. Many people report shifts in their sleep patterns, diet preferences, and sensitivities. You might find that you need less sleep, or that your sleep becomes deeper and more rejuvenating. Your diet preferences might change, often towards lighter, more natural foods. You might also develop new sensitivities to certain foods, lights, or sounds. These physical changes can be surprising and sometimes challenging to navigate. You might need to adjust your lifestyle to accommodate these new needs. For example, you might find that you're more sensitive to artificial lights and need to create a darker sleeping environment. Or you might discover that certain foods no longer agree with you, leading you to explore new dietary options. The seventh strange thing about the 5D experience is clearer communication. This doesn't just mean becoming a better speaker or writer, although that can happen too. Instead, it's about developing a deeper level of understanding that goes beyond words. You might find yourself having telepathic experiences where you know what someone is going to say before they say it, or you might understand the true meaning behind someone's words, even if they're not expressing themselves clearly. This clearer communication can greatly improve your relationships. You might find it easier to resolve conflicts as you're better able to understand where others are coming from. You might also develop a stronger connection with animals or nature, feeling like you can communicate on a non-verbal level. The eighth strange aspect of living in 5D is increased manifestation powers. In this state, you might notice that your thoughts seem to become reality much faster. It's as if the gap between thinking of something and seeing it manifest in your life has shrunk. This doesn't mean you can magically make anything happen instantly, but you may find that opportunities and resources align more quickly with your intentions. This increased manifestation ability comes with responsibility. It becomes more important than ever to be mindful of your thoughts and intentions. Negative thoughts can manifest just as quickly as positive ones, so cultivating a positive mindset becomes crucial. This power of manifestation often leads people to be more intentional about what they focus on and what they wish to create in their lives. The ninth strange thing about the 5D experience is a strong sense of purpose. Many people in this state feel called to help others or to fulfill a specific mission or role. This sense of purpose often goes beyond personal ambition and connects to a desire to contribute to the greater good. You might feel drawn to particular causes or feel a strong urge to share your knowledge and experiences with others. This sense of purpose can bring great fulfillment and direction to your life. It can also present challenges, as you may need to make significant changes to align your life with this newfound purpose. You might find yourself changing careers, moving to a new place, or dedicating more time to volunteer work or personal growth activities. The 10th and final strange aspect of living in 5D is a profound spiritual awakening. This doesn't necessarily mean becoming religious, but rather developing a deeper connection to the universe or a higher power. You might feel drawn to practices like meditation or energy work. You might also experience a shift in your beliefs about the nature of reality and your place in it. This spiritual awakening can bring a sense of peace and understanding, even in the face of life's challenges. You might find that you're less rattled by everyday problems and more able to maintain a sense of inner calm. This spiritual connection can also provide guidance and support as you navigate the other changes that come with the 5D experience. As we wrap up our exploration of these 10 strange things, it's important to remember that the shift to 5D consciousness is a personal journey. Not everyone will experience all of these things, and they may show up differently for different people. The key is to stay open to new experiences and to trust your own inner guidance. Living in 5D doesn't mean you're suddenly perfect or that all your problems disappear. Instead, it's about experiencing life from an expanded perspective. It's about seeing the interconnectedness of all things and recognizing the profound impact we each have on the world around us. If you're experiencing some of these strange things, know that you're not alone. Many others are going through similar shifts. It can be helpful to connect with like-minded individuals who understand what you're going through. At the same time, it's important to stay grounded and maintain connections with your everyday life and responsibilities. Remember, there's no rush to reach some ideal state of consciousness. The journey itself is what's important. Each experience, whether it feels positive or challenging, is an opportunity for growth and understanding. Be patient with yourself as you navigate these changes. As you continue on your path, stay curious and open-minded. Pay attention to the subtle shifts in your perception and experiences. Keep exploring and learning. There are many resources available if you want to delve deeper into any of these aspects of 5D living. Whether you're just starting to notice these strange experiences or you've been living in this expanded state for a while, know that you're part of a broader shift in human consciousness. Your personal growth and awakening contribute to the collective evolution of our species. As we come to the end of this video, take a moment to reflect on your own experiences. Have you noticed any of these strange things in your own life? Are there aspects of the 5D experience that resonate with you? Remember, there's no right or wrong way to experience this shift. Your journey is unique to you. We hope this exploration of the 10 strange things only people living in the 5D experience has been informative and inspiring. Whether you're fully immersed in 5D living or just curious about it, we encourage you to stay open to the possibilities that exist beyond our everyday perception of reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. May your path be filled with wonder, growth, and profound experiences. Until next time, stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring the amazing potential that exists within you and all around you.